I'm not doing
Here we go. Get ready.
Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting up for a search warrant. Start moving.
Here we go.
He doesn't even know how to park a car.
Oh my god, this kid.
Are you f***ing serious?
Hold on, what just happened?
Are you f***ing serious? So, actually, get a supervisor down here.
Oh, okay. For sure. His girlfriend's like, I hate my life. What's up, guys? Squink here, former cop, future PC troubleshooting guy, here to break down another video using my law enforcement experience to answer the question that everyone wants to know, which is, what the hell are the cops doing? Today's video comes from Midwest Safety. Cocky teen tries to outsmart... got that wrong. Cocky teen tries outsmarting cop. Fails miserably. Never seen it. Walking in blindly. Trying to provide insight where I can during those questionable moments. Here we go.
While an officer investigates a black Honda Civic he suspects is stolen, an unwanted guest inserts himself in the officer's business.
Naturally.
The reason why you're coming over here?
No, I'm just admiring it. It's a nice car. See the wheels? Real nice. Just admiring it.
And you can keep on going then.
Hey, it's not illegal to be in a public space.
You can go ahead and start me a tow, please. I'm at Target for a black.
Okay, here's what I never really understand. Like, these people are so full of themselves. They're just like, they fail to realize that there's going to be consequences to their actions of inserting themselves into a police situation. I don't know why anyone thinks it's a good idea. It's not a good idea. If you're not involved, stay the fuck away. No one wants you there. You're not cool. You're super annoying. Like, that's literally what it comes down to. This kid's gonna get exactly what is coming to him. Hopefully, I'm not gonna say it.
Honda Civic.
Look how nice and shiny this dude's wheels are. This thing looks slow, man. You waiting for something?
I'm towing the car.
Why?
Because it's got no plates and the VIN's covered.
Like, bro, it's none of your fucking business.
Look at me like I'm doing something wrong.
You're chilling in a public spot, man. You can do whatever you want.
I know.
Cool.
Man, this cop's trying to tow this random dude's car.
Like, bro, you don't even know the situation.
It's gonna be real expensive for that guy.
Yeah, I guess so.
You wanna get your f***ing nasty?
His girlfriend's like, I hate my life. I hate my boyfriend. I hate my life. My boyfriend makes me hate myself because I'm with him, and it makes me question my entire life. Get me out of this life immediately.
Shoe off that rim.
Is this your car, man?
I got it.
Because we can, like, solve this real quick just by you opening the car, removing the VIN. But you shoved the paper in the VIN. I can't read the VIN. It's got no plates, so I'm assuming it's stolen. So per RCW, I gotta seize it, get a search warrant, remove that, and read the VIN.
Hear me out. Is there a black two-door Honda Civic with white wheels and a aftermarket wing reported as stolen?
There's
No.
1,000 stolen cars a month in Pierce County, bud.
The answer
And this
no.
is the most common
The
stolen
answer is
vehicle in
no.
Pierce County.
The answer is, why don't you just uncover it yourself?
I can't. It's inside the car.
What a shame.
What a shame.
What a shame.
So if this is your car, we can go ahead and solve this crisis. But if you're not going to claim ownership of this, then just...
Why would I claim ownership of a car that's got a cop that's 100% going to hand out tickets?
Right. That being said, it's going to come to the Gay Car Police Department. We're going to go ahead and seize it on a search warrant.
Seize it on a search warrant for what? What are you searching it for?
To uncover the VIN.
For what? Do you have any suspicion of it being stolen other than no plates and a covered VIN?
Absolutely.
What's your suspicion of it being stolen, officer?
Hey man, is this your car or what? Dude, you're making this so much harder than it needs
Oh
to be.
my gosh.
You're towing it for no reason. You got your nasty ass shoe on the f***ing wheel.
Yeah?
Get your f***ing shoe off the wheel.
This
your
is
car?
totally
Like, you're
his
being
car,
disrespectful
yeah.
to whoever's f***ing car it is.
You need to back
Your
off my
car.
desk over there.
I'm not in your face. You just stuck your f***ing hand in my face.
Bud,
Bud,
chill.
get your f***ing... Why is your foot on the wheel? Why are you doing that?
Look at her.
You're literally doing that to piss me off for no f***ing
Oh,
reason.
look at her.
Car?
She's like, I hate this.
Doesn't matter.
Is this your car or what?
You're going to scratch those f***ing wheels and have to pay for them.
Yeah. All right, go
So
ahead.
this is your
I don't know what policy
car.
is. Your department's probably going to have to f***ing pay for these $1,000 wheels.
Yeah, go ahead and walk over there, bud.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk over there.
Keep your f***ing hand out of my face.
Walk. Walk. Get out of my face. Go.
You're
All right, so the moment he touches a cop, we're gonna see this boy go down to the ground real quick. That's my guess.
walking in my face.
Go before you get.
Don't f***ing touch me.
Go.
I'm not doing
Here we go.
My seat.
Get ready.
Get away from my car. Go.
This ain't your car.
Go.
Your car's back there.
I'm getting here for a search warrant. Start moving.
Here we go. It's gonna start escalating.
You are approaching me. You are
Back.
getting in my face.
Move back.
Get your f***ing hand
back.
off me.
Stay in the car.
So he can push that kid away. This kid is impeding an active investigation. He's obviously looking into the car for a reason. The car has no plates. The only way to identify that car is by the VIN. The VIN is covered up by a piece of paper. This kid decides to insert himself, presumably because it's his vehicle. And now he's impeding an active investigation into this vehicle. So the cop has every right to push the kid away from the scene of the investigation because verbal commands simply aren't working. And the moment the kid pushes away or does anything like that, that's going to give the cop grounds to take this piece of garbage child to the ground, which he deservedly should receive.
Keep your mother hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Keep your mother hands off me.
Stay off the car.
Off the car?
I feel so
You're the one
bad
that
for
was
the
on
girlfriend.
car.
Like-
I'm touching it. I'm off the car.
Back up.
I'm back.
Okay. Back up.
Start recording this. Touch me again, motherfucker. Come push me.
Bro, you're not going to win this.
You pushing me for no goddamn reason. You're putting your hands in my face. I kept my phone back respectfully. I wasn't sticking it in your face. I got your name and that was it. What's your badge number?
117.
The classic
So like
question.
I was saying, this car is coming to the Gig-Gar Police Department. If you're not going to claim ownership of it, what's going to happen is we're going to get a search warrant.
Shoving me. Why would I want to fucking make it easy on you?
Okay, anyways, we're going to get a search warrant to remove the...
Kid, let's be honest. You had no intentions of ever making things easy on this police officer. You had no intention from the get-go for making things easy. You wanted a confrontation from the beginning.
cover from the VIN, and if it comes back stolen, we'll deal with it. If not, we'll come back to the last person who has ownership, give them the call to come pick it up. If that ain't you, you ain't getting the car back. All right?
Sick.
Cool.
So, I'm just going to repeat what you said real quick to make sure I understand.
Yep.
Okay?
Go for it.
You are going to get a search warrant,
Yep.
which means you call for whoever you have to call.
Right.
And then they say, yes, you can open the door, move the piece of paper, correct?
Correct.
Right.
Or do you have to tow it first?
You gotta tow it first. Per an RCW, sir.
Also, I don't know what RCW is, so unfortunately, I can't provide insight into that.
So, I think I'm going to visit you down at the department, and I'm going to actually get a supervisor down here.
Oh, okay.
reason.
For sure.
Get your come on, call the supervisor.
Just the classic, what's your badge number? What's your name? Give me a supervisor. That's the effective trio for I'm losing an argument against a police officer. So let me just do what I see on every YouTube video. Give me your name, give me your badge number, and give me a supervisor now.
Yeah. I can do that for you, but first I'm gonna need you to back away from the vehicle.
No, I'm going to need you to call a supervisor.
Bro, if it's not your vehicle, get the hell out of here. Otherwise, you will be arrested.
Get your
That's simple.
supervisor down here.
I will when you back up.
I have not committed any crime. I am back. You
Okay.
shoved me back. I am back.
So here's what's gonna happen. One, I'm not gonna do your request until I get a second unit down here because I'm guarding the door from you getting in it. That's why I'm pushing you back away from it
Why the
because you
f-
keep
I
trying to
could
get near the door. Two,
I could
when
get
a
near
second
that door.
unit
I could
comes
get
here,
near the
I will
trunk.
call
I
you
could
a
get near
supervisor.
whatever the f-
But until I get a second unit down here, you're not getting a supervisor.
Are you f- serious?
I'm absolutely serious.
There's your f- second unit. Call a goddamn supervisor. Oh, what? You
Right, dude.
could stand
Can you go ahead
still
and
and
put
call
the
a
car-
f- supervisor.
Oh my
But you
God,
can't
this
do it
kid.
'cause you're standing in front of a f- door.
Yep.
Oh, f- all of you guys. You guys got f- nothing better to do than harass people for no goddamn reason.
Yep.
Yeah, the cop's harassing him. The cop's harassing him? Bro, you entered yourself into this scene. And if this is truly not your vehicle, like you're not claiming ownership, get the hell away. You have no right to be a part of this situation. You've inserted yourself into this situation.
Look at this dumbass. He doesn't even know how to f- park a car.
Oh my God, this kid.
you fucking serious?
Hold on, what just happened?
Are you fucking serious?
Anyways, he says it's not his car, but he's acting like
Why did the cop just hit the car?
it's his car.
This stupid motherfucker just ran into my car for no fucking reason.
Oh, it is your car. Okay.
There we go.
Hit my car.
The truth.
All right, come here.
Are you fucking serious?
Come here.
I also love that it's not like a very nice car and he's acting like this is some sort of souped up Lamborghini supercar and it's like an early 2000s Honda.
So now it's your car, right?
Oh yeah.
All right,
Arrest
listen.
me.
So it's a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN like that. You understand?
I literally just
All
got
right,
it back.
Okay, let's go ahead and see some ID now.
I don't
So
have-
yeah, now he's the subject of this investigation into this vehicle. So now he has to comply with whatever requests the police officers have of him. First and foremost, identification.
have my wallet or
Okay,
anything.
what's your name?
For what? What crime have
It
I?
is a gross misdemeanor to cover up your VIN.
I'm not the one that covered it.
It's your car, right? What's
Yeah,
your
he's
name?
responsible for anything
what?
with that vehicle.
Cody. What's your birthday, Cody?
2005.
What's the rest of your birthday?
Oh, you.
See, I disagree. Those are good pens, the Sharpie S gels. However, the best pens in my experience are the Pilot G2s, specifically the 1.0 millimeter tip.
What?
Cody.
In my car. What do you mean what? Continue what? I'm not committing a crime.
Yeah, I am a little
Raising my
confused
voice is not committing a
still
crime.
as to why the cop hit the car. I don't understand that.
Good. Yeah, thanks for your service.
Yeah, no problem. I'm a little busy right now, but I appreciate it.
Yeah, I imagine you're a Trump supporter.
No comment.
All right.
Yeah, cops can't talk politics. Lots of the time in department policy, it says you're not allowed to engage in politics. You just got to do your job.
He wanted to talk to you, but I think you already got that far.
Yeah. Is that my ticket?
No, this is the law in which we are seizing your vehicle for. So you're not getting this back. We are seizing it. We are going to uncover the VIN with a search warrant. We'll give you a call back if
Go ahead.
need be, but you're free to go from here. If it comes back stolen, you've been contacted for stolen vehicle in the past. We know where to
I
come find you. Yes, you have. I looked up the report.
No.
Oh,
What?
interesting.
Black Honda Civic from
No.
Pierce County.
Okay, that I can actually. 1 second, I will call you right back. Check my center console. I give
I'm
full
not
consent.
going in there without a search warrant at this point.
There is a business card from an officer.
Yeah.
I got pulled over. The officer said it was coming up as stolen. By the way, did not hit my car when he did that. Okay.
Okay.
He said the car's coming up as stolen. This was right after I purchased it from an auction. They
Yeah.
called. And I don't know who they called. I'm not a cop. Okay. They called.
Uh,
got a car
obviously.
That was this car. It was previously stolen. Got towed. The title got written over to the tow company, and then I purchased it from an auction. So no, I have not been contacted about a stolen car.
Listen, I'm just going this route, all right? That's the route we're going to go with. You could have cooperated about 20 minutes ago when you walked up.
Suck my.
All right.
I don't want to.
Hit my car, and now it's getting.
Daddy, come save me,
Town
please.
and country?
Oh, that's.
He's calling
As the
Daddy.
tow truck arrives, the suspect's stepfather arrives on scene.
Yeah, because they can never take accountability. Give me a real adult here, please, because I'm losing the argument and I've never had to take accountability in my entire life. Stepdaddy, come to my rescue, please.
Quickly becomes a suspect himself.
Okay, back up.
Oh, good, good.
Okay, we're towing the car. I need you to back off. Because the VIN's covered. Back
I'm
up.
on fucking.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. We're doing an investigation. Get the fuck out of here.
You don't need to touch me.
Get away.
Hey, he was
Go.
having the same issue touching me.
Go.
I'm asking a motherfucking
Move.
question,
The
okay?
tow truck is blocking. You're blocking the tow
Cool.
truck. Go.
Don't
He's impeding an active investigation. The tow truck has to take that vehicle so they can seize it, execute the search warrant. This dude is actively impeding the tow truck and their duties. Take him to jail for obstruction.
touch me, dude.
Go. Go.
He's touched me fucking multiple times. Don't fucking touch me.
Get out. Okay, turn around. Put your arms right back.
Obstruction. Yep. Yep. You didn't listen to verbal commands, so.
I'm trying to figure out what the purpose is for you guys
Nothing to do with
fucking
you.
telling-
You're under
Bro,
arrest this time.
it doesn't involve you.
You're good, dude. Don't quit it.
Is he being being arrested or detained?
Yes, he's being arrested. You got anything illegal
Oh,
on you?
this kid,
Do I have
man.
what?
Anything illegal on you?
Um,
Any drugs, contraband, weapons,
I have a torch in my pocket.
torch? So real quick, you're being audio and video recorded. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You understand all that?
Yes.
What's your name?
Justin.
Justin.
Yeah.
What's your relationship here?
It's my stepkid.
Stepkid.
Yes.
Okay, all this could have been simply avoided just by uncovering a VIN and explaining why the VIN's covered. Now we gotta seize it because we have to think it's stolen. The VIN's covered, it's got no plates. What I tried to explain, why it getting
Plate's not
towed.
still in it?
There's no plates on it.
In the trunk. There's not a plate in the trunk. No.
Okay? It's a Honda Civic. Look at me, Justin.
I know. I work
It's a
on
Honda
mechanic.
Civic, right?
Yes.
Most commonly stolen vehicle.
Yes,
Yes, see? Shake up and down. All this could have been avoided with just a little bit of cooperation. Now, when I tell you to get out of the way, the tow truck's coming because I got to seize this vehicle, you need to get out of the way. Not
Yeah.
sit here and keep arguing with me, blocking the tow truck and blocking me from doing my job.
Yep.
That's
But
why
you
you're
also
under
could've
arrest.
answered my f***ing question.
Why is the car getting towed?
Yeah.
Because the VIN is covered.
Bro, listen. He answered these questions.
Is that my job to explain to you? Why are you here?
Have fun explaining this to my sister.
Why? Who fucking cares who your sister is? Like these. I love it. It starts with the kid. Kid calls stepdaddy. Now stepdaddy's like, my sister. You better watch it. The sister's the final boss, apparently.
The fact that I'm not making my flight now.
Come on over here.
You decided to insert yourself into this situation when it was resolved, idiot.
I thought you looked familiar. You've been staying out of trouble for a while. 6, I got one customer. Is he gonna make it? Sitting there talking to the guy. Hey, man, this is your car. Yeah. Just uncover the
I still don't know why the cop hit the vehicle.
Stay away from the tow truck driver. Let him do his job.
That was a fun one. Yeah. Like, it now makes sense why the kid inserted himself into the situation because it was his vehicle. But a little cooperation could have gone a long way. It really could have. All he had to do was move that piece of paper from covering the VIN. Problem solved. He probably would have got a ticket, but they wouldn't have had to seize the vehicle. Now they have to go through the proper channels to investigate it completely. When a little cooperation could have gone a long way. Then you got stepdaddy who comes to the rescue. Also impedes the active investigation, impedes the tow truck, impedes the entirety of the situation, gets arrested for obstruction, and then starts referencing his sister for whatever reason. I still don't know why the cop hit the vehicle. They don't teach you to do that when you're towing a vehicle, so I don't have an answer as to what happened there. I would imagine it was a mistake. I can't imagine he did it on purpose, but maybe I'm wrong. Overall, I give the police a 6.2. The only reason I'm not giving him higher is because the cop hit the car, and I'm just a little confused by that. I can't think of any reason why the cop hit the car. But other than that, they did their job effectively, and I commend them for that, and keeping their cool when facing all of those male Karens. They did pretty well. But yeah, I don't know why he hit the cop car. Anyway, I tried to do these videos at least 3 times a week. I get busy sometimes. I haven't done one in a little more than a few days. But I appreciate y'all being here, watching this one. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.